for the skill-based workshop. As you know,
according
to the new education policy of CBSE, coding is mandatory for the students, right?
So we are
very thankful for the principal and teachers of Shirdi Sai Public School who motivate students towards the coding, STEM and robotics. We are very thankful. What this emote will do? I lost something, so it gives sad. So what it will? Hi, my name is Imobot. How are you? Okay, I can write in short. Good. Okay, and give the answer.
Wow,
Happy for you. How's the workshop? Like it?
Very good.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Ma'am, it was very nice.
Very nice workshop.
So I am going to share my feedback form.
That is the feedback form. I had already